Hi, I'm Manuel Fabriker with College Planning ABC. I'm going to give you guys a short little few-minute testimonial on my experience with Brian Safdari. So I've actually been involved with college planning for about 7 years this upcoming year. And I met Brian at one of these seminars a while back. And we've had a great relationship from the start. However, I did go a different path in terms of being mentored by other people in the college planning financial practice business here. And you know what? I wish I started earlier with him because one is these other people that I did work with, they did things very, very different. They promised the world, tell me I'd get all this stuff, and they weren't delivering on their promise. They wouldn't call me back. They wouldn't email me. In terms of closing cases, I wasn't getting all the support. So I got connected to all these investors or agents and so forth, but I was not getting the support I needed to help me really grow my practice. And I think that's probably one of the biggest things or biggest mistakes I've done. But since hooking in with Brian and actually working underneath him over the past year, things have been awesome. This is actually going to be my biggest year so far. So in a short period of time, because I just started working this past year, I was able to do the same amount of volume from my previous two kind of broker agents in the past. And actually after 1 year, or not even 1 year of working with him, actually it's really been tweaking my systems, helping me with my cases and telling me how to sell them differently, telling me the mindset and mentality of what to have and how to help me with these clients in different personalities and backgrounds of how to handle all that. So Brian definitely has experience. He's doing very, very well financially with his business, and you know what? I just want to be able to, have the same amount of time and type of business that he has as well in the future. But, he's a great guy to work with. I highly, highly recommend him. Very easygoing guy, systematic approach to closing deals and helping guys through the process. So the only biggest mistake that I have in this business was I didn't hook up with him earlier. I thought that these other people who've been doing it for 10, 15, 20 years would do much better for me, but reality it wasn't. So working with Brian has been a really big blessing for me and my family because income-wise, I'm going to make more money this year than I was last year, and I'm working smarter. So I believe in working hard, but I believe in working smarter, and Brian has definitely helped me with my biz and closing a lot more deals, and you can even ask Gabe at LifePro about my business and what's happening on there. And so, guys, I highly endorse Brian Safdari with his business practices, his ethics, and who he is as a person. So anyway, guys, if you have any questions, you can call me or email me, Manuel at collegeplanningabc.com. Thanks.